Okay, this one is the Holiday Inn and the Diamond Casino. So there's both a hotel and a casino right in here. So we're gonna basically walk around this building and kind of show you what it looks like. And I'll give you some context of it as well. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Holiday Inn. This is kind of interesting because I think I saw some pictures of it online and it looked like they took some pictures from the Holiday Inn in the United States, because it looks a little bit different when you look at it here. But yeah, basically it's in this area called Zape. Give you a little context. Zape has a bunch of like shopping. There's a King of Dumplings. There's a fish restaurant. There's these little handbags you can buy, stuff like that. That one is an apartment building straight ahead. So there's apartment buildings here. And then the Holiday Inn, basically it's like, looks like it has this kind of front here, and then up there has like all glass. That's probably some of the hotel rooms up that way. So what we're gonna do is kind of walk around it, and we're in this area called Zape. So let's just see what else is around here. And you can also see some other casinos. There's Landmark Casino, Emperor Hotel and Casino. So there's two of them right here. Hoilday Shanghai. I don't know what this is. It looks like just a regular apartment. So I think this is just pure residential right here. So this Diamond Casino Holiday Inn on this side kind of faces this way. So we're just gonna take a look around in here a little bit. And actually there's some Holiday Inn right here. So let's just capture this. So that right there is a logo from, looks like it's like American logo. There's also a spa in there. Okay. Macau Diamond Casino at Holiday Inn. Okay. Diamond Casino at Holiday Inn. Just for people, it's a residential right there. It's like you can parking garage and then kind of cool looking apartments. Like how beautiful those are. These little circular ones. That one too. This looks like Holiday Inn is kind of nestled in with some apartments and some casinos. It's also a Holiday Spa. So there's a spa in here. That's also residential. So it looks like residential, 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 local, local, residential. And so all that is residential. And then here's the Diamond Casino right here. Diamond Casino and Holiday Inn. So now you can kind of see what that looks like. That looks kind of cool actually. So yeah, it looks kind of like that. Holiday Inn and Diamond Casino. Like that. I'm just gonna show you the context. So that's Lisboa straight ahead. So Lisboa Casino is straight that way. Then there's also like some liquor stores. That's a liquor store as well. Pharmacy. It's like this is all pharmacy, diapers, things like that. So that's a Diamond Casino right there. And this also says Holiday Inn. So I guess like maybe it's a pharmacy, and some of this stuff is also owned by a Holiday Inn, maybe. So kind of interesting. It's a Holiday Inn Casino. Okay, let's go around to the other sides and just see what we can also see. Drogeria, pharmacy. Oh, okay, there's a police station right here. So I have to be a little careful. Yeah, I didn't realize this is right next to the police station. Not supposed to film police stations that I'm aware of. Wonderland. Wonderland, I think that's an English language institute. Huh. I didn't think there'd be one of those right here. So here's the Holiday Inn from this side. It's kind of cool. So what we're gonna do, kind of want to cross the street there a little bit too. We'll try to cross it over that way. I kind of want to be careful with the police station because I don't think you're supposed to film at a police station. I also want to jaywalk and get across there too. but I don't think I'm allowed to do that either. So I think this is the lobby. It's like a little bar right there. Yeah, not much of a bar though. That's the Holiday Inn bar lobby. It has the Holiday Inn logo too, the H. Holiday Inn. There's also a Holiday Inn Express too, so I'm wondering if wondering where the express one is at. So this is the other side of Holiday Inn as well. Okay. Taipa Casino. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go across the street. So we're just gonna go down a little bit further, and then we're gonna cross. Then we can kind of see, got leather goods. There's a Holiday Express in here too. And I heard that there are 2 different owners. There's also some other ones too. There's Metro Park. I think it's just a hotel. Let's see if we can go across here. More residential. Okay. Charming Gourmet. That looks like a good restaurant. So now we can catch Holiday Inn from the side. It's right next to this beautiful Havana building. The Cuba reference. The Casa de Habana. Right in there. Looks kind of cool. There we go. Same street. Hoilday, Beijing, Peking. So which is hello. I guess he's curious what I'm doing. So yeah, so this is a pretty beautiful building right here. This Casa Habana Casa. Okay. There's also City University of Macau right there, and then this is the Holiday Inn. So let's just go down a little bit more, try to capture Holiday Inn a little bit. And there's a Holiday Inn Macau, Taipa Casino. And that's Lisboa down that way. So maybe kind of interesting. And I guess we'll end it right there. We're in it like that. Chiquinha, chiquinha.